I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 149. And today we're talking about the timeline for selling. It's part 11 in our 12-part series on getting your home ready to list. The spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the information you need to be ready. The first step is determining the timeline. The first step in determining the timeline is understanding you don't want to miss the best time to list. Right now, the market is hot, but there are ebbs and flows in the market, and timing is important based on the time of the year. Typically, it's 45 to 60 days right now from the time we receive an offer to get it to the closing table. That's the time for the buyers to do their home inspections, attorneys to do the title work, and for the lenders to get the paperwork completed. From the time you are ready to go with me, it takes 7 to 14 days to get the photos scheduled and get all the listing paperwork prepared. We also have to determine how long it's going to take you to prepare your home. If there's work to be done, it may take some time to schedule a vendor. Experience tells me it takes longer to get the home on the market than you might anticipate. If you like these videos, there's plenty more over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com or check me out on social media. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.